Hey guys, what's up? Allison Simmons here, and I am giddy with excitement about something new AI related that I just have to share with you guys because I was playing with it yesterday and it blew my mind. It's going to blow yours too. So I have Zapier open here, and I will admit that I have had a love-hate relationship with Zapier for a long time because it works when it works, but it's been very complicated in the past for me to get working until they started integrating AI, and they had this, they took their Copilot into a whole new level, and it made creating Zaps so much easier. And so if you attended my last Be Your Own Boss training, one of the things that I showed you was how I was using Zapier with my Fathom to make sure that all of my action items were getting added to my Trello board, which was then getting added to my Google Task List, which was then getting block scheduled on my calendar, and all these other things, right? It's gone to a whole new level, my friends. If you'll see on the side here, they are beta-ing chatbots, Canvas, I don't even know what that is yet, and agents. I have worked with N8N. It is a dang complicated AI agent builder. So I was like, let me just see what Zapier has to offer. So if you click on that, you come and you'll see I have created 2 agents yesterday. Maybe it took me an hour, hour and a half, but only because I was tweaking so much. But it's so easy. I want to show you. So you click on new agent, and they have all these pre-made templates that you could use, like a call debriefer, lead gen research, or you could literally just start typing in what you wanted to do. So I want to sift through my inbox every week and find emails that I haven't opened yet that may be of importance. Like, I have no idea what the heck this agent says, right? I don't know. That's just what I want to do. So I'm typing that in, and I'm going to create agent, and I'm literally just going to see what Zapier says about this agent. Okay, so it's saying search your email inbox for emails that are currently marked as unread. Compile a list of these unread emails, including the details like the sender, subject, and date. Expected outcome. A list of all unread emails from the past week is generated for your review to identify which of those are important. Like whatever, right? So I'm going to come over here to finish setup, and then it's going to have me connect some stuff. Come on. Here we go. Day of the week. I want to do this on Fridays. And I want to do this at, let's say, 1:30 p.m., right? And then I'm going to save. Okay, and then we're going to say test agent. Now, I've already connected my Gmail and another agent, so I don't know if maybe it's doing that or if it's going to fuss at me. We're just going to see. Like, this is literally it. Here we go. To continue, I need to know which email service. Gmail. Like, I just literally have a conversation with Zapier, and it's building this agent out, and I don't need to know anything. Could you let me know? Yes. We're going to give it access to my Gmail. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to insert tools. And no, just kidding. We're going to do Gmail, and I'm going to click on Gmail. And I'm going to find an email. Okay. Thank you for confirming. To search your Gmail for unread, I need to know if you want to include unread from all folders. Yes, all. All right, and since I already added that, now it is putting that in the agent and it's testing it. I'll pause the video. Okay, now it's determining my next step. Okay, and then here you go. It's literally giving me all these emails, right? And so now I can say, great, I want these to be emailed to me, right? Because it's not going to do me any good if it's sitting here in a Zapier. I want them actually to be in my inbox. So I'm going to go ahead. Would you like to receive this list as a single email summary? Yes. All right. So now just to confirm, would you like to receive one email listing all your emails, or do you want to reach each? Nope. one email to me with this summary. Okay, you will receive one email list, and since it already has my inbox, it should be good to go. So if you need different format, oh, nope, this is good. Test it. All right, I'm ready to send your summary email, but I don't have an action available. Do you have action enabled for sending emails? Okay, so I'm going to go back up here to insert tools. I'm going to click on the Google Gmail again, and then we're going to do, let's see, send email. And then I already know how to do that, right? Because I played with this yesterday. But if you had asked for instructions, it would tell you. It has been added. All right, sending you a summary with your unread emails from the past week. All right, so now I can see, there it is. So it says that it sent me all this email, right? That's what it's going to send me. So I'll hit approve, and then it's actually going to send the email, right? So that was like just telling me this is what it's going to look like. And then now it's actually doing it for me. Okay, your summary and all read emails from the past week has been sent to your inbox. So now I can go into my inbox. By the way, I use Shift as my browser, and it's amazing. Here it is, me, weekly summary of unread emails. Boom, there they all are. So I can see if I've missed anything important, because if you're anything like me, you miss important emails. Okay, and then I can just click up here, enable agent, and voila, it's done. So how freaking cool and easy was that, guys, right? So some of the other ones that I did was daily lead follow-up, and then leads tracker. So real quick, I'll just show you my leads tracker. So again, I showed this in my last webinar, how I was using Zapier to help capture my leads from my Fathom. So this new agent literally adds them to my leads tracker with their name, gets their email, the date of the call. It determines, based on the transcript of the conversation, if they are on fire, hot, warm, lukewarm, or cold. I do go in and add the lead source afterwards. It determines if they were a sales call, a coffee chat, collaboration, or strategy call, and then I can update them if they said no. And then it also determines for me what offer they would be the most appropriate for. Then it adds for me a notes based on the call. It gives me the Fathom link. It gives me it creates a Fathom transcript and puts the link to that transcript right here. It gives me the next steps based on the transcript and a follow-up date. So that's the lead tracker agent. And then I went around and did the one where it now, every single day, it reviews my leads tracker and it looks for current dates to see who I need to follow up with. And it emails me a draft in response based on the notes and the next steps. Guys, I kid you not, I set all of this up in, again, I mean, an hour and a half maybe, but only because I was figuring it out. You saw how fast I just created this one. What did that take? I mean, this video, I don't even know how long it's been going for. I did pause a little bit while it was like thinking, but minutes. So if you don't have Zapier, I highly recommend you go check it out. I'm on the paid version, so I don't know what is available with the free necessarily, but it is so worth it because you can have a conversation with Zapier and it is creating your agents for you. There is no more of this, well, which field do I need to connect and how do I do this? It does it for you, or it gives you step-by-step instructions. So y'all go use AI, love AI, get more done in less time. Later.